Wow, what an incredible moment in technology we're in. I've been in technology and at Microsoft for a long time, and I can't think of a more exciting time where new technology can change how we live and work in such a fundamental way. And the best place to immerse yourself, of course, is going to be our upcoming Microsoft 365 conference, where you'll be able to learn about the latest in AI and Copilot and more to grow your skills, your impact on your organization, your career. You do not want to miss it. This is the big moment in technology. Yeah, one thing that's great about the Microsoft 365 conference is there is something for everybody. IT pros who are worried about security and deployment and change management, developers who are building cutting-edge solutions connecting Microsoft 365 to business applications with AI, end user advocates who are embracing this new technology to make work more engaging and more productive, business leaders who are thinking about how they transform their organizations and how they work with technology, partners who are building on Microsoft Cloud's technology and trying to grow their business. There is something for everybody, and there's something magical that happens when we bring them all together in a single community to share their ideas. So be part of the best community in technology at the Microsoft 365 conference in 2024.